Welcome to the next generation of printing technology. Introducing the Pixeljet miniRTR, the 6 feet UV LED roll-to-roll printer that's redefining what's possible. Engineered for excellence, the Pixeljet miniRTR combines cutting-edge UV LED technology with unrivaled performance, bringing you unparalleled print quality and efficiency. Setting up the Pixeljet miniRTR is seamless and intuitive. With user-friendly controls and a versatile media feed system, you're ready to start printing in no time. Experience superior print quality with the Pixeljet miniRTR. Our advanced UV LED curing technology delivers rich colors, sharp details, and exceptional durability, making every print a masterpiece. With a generous 6 feet print width, the Pixeljet miniRTR is versatile enough to handle a wide range of materials. Whether it's banners, signs, or custom graphics, this printer adapts to your needs. Built with sustainability in mind, the Pixeljet miniRTR features energy-efficient UV LED technology, reducing your carbon footprint and lowering operational costs. Discover the power of innovation and quality with the Pixeljet miniRTR. Elevate your printing capabilities and deliver exceptional results every time. Ready to transform your printing business? Visit our website or contact us today to learn more about the Pixeljet miniRTR and schedule your demo.